Today I'm back at the Higuchi residence doing a little work on another section of the ceiling that we had to take down that had some broken and damaged ceiling boards. So I went and rescued some from a different house that's being torn down and cut them to length, and now kind of washing them up, getting them cleaned up and ready to go into place up above the tokonoma. This is the tokonoma space where the ceiling boards will go, right in up above here, where the ceiling is missing. They'll just go across horizontally this way.